Most users think a locked device is a permanent brick, but that is simply not true. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. I am here to guide you through the 7 specific items needed to remove activation lock from your hardware. I will show you how to gather your original proof of purchase and locate the serial number to satisfy every verification check. I also explain why incomplete submissions lead to automatic denials and how to avoid those common pitfalls. We will walk through the exact documentation Apple support agents look for during the review process. By preparing these details now, I help you submit a request that stands the best chance of approval. Let us get your device running again by organizing the information that proves your ownership. I have broken down the entire process into clear, manageable steps to make this recovery simple. Quick legal note before we continue. This information is for educational purposes only. You remain responsible for your device and data security. We do not guarantee unlocking results. Always consult official support channels for your specific hardware and account status.
This segment is a paid partnership with Unloxy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unloxy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unloxy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credit safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code.
I spend my days analyzing the internal protocols that Apple support agents follow when they receive an activation lock removal request. I know exactly why most applications fail, and it usually comes down to missing one or more of the 7 mandatory verification points. When I submit a request, I treat it like a legal filing where every single piece of data must be precise. The first item I always confirm is the original proof of purchase. This must be a document from an authorized retailer that clearly displays the name of the store, the date of purchase, and the specific device serial number. If I lack an original receipt, I make sure to have a bank statement or a credit card transaction record that matches the purchase price of the hardware. Second, I document the device serial number, IMEI or MEID, directly from the physical hardware casing or the original retail packaging. Third, I verify that the device is not currently marked as lost or stolen in any database. Fourth, I prepare a clear photograph of the device showing the lock screen, which provides visual confirmation of the current state of the hardware. Fifth, I draft a concise and professional explanation of how I acquired the device, which adds a layer of transparency that support agents appreciate. Sixth, I include a copy of my government-issued photo identification to verify my identity against the name on the proof of purchase. Finally, I provide a secondary contact email address that is different from the one associated with the locked device, which prevents communication loops if the original account is unreachable. I have found that providing these 7 items in a single organized submission makes the difference between an immediate approval and a frustrating rejection. I never leave room for ambiguity, as support agents prioritize requests that are complete and easy to verify. By gathering these documents before I even open the support page, I make sure my request moves to the top of the queue. I recommend that you follow this exact sequence to get your hardware back in working order. I have covered the 7 verification points required to remove activation lock, including the proof of purchase, serial number, and identity documentation. By organizing these specific records, I hope you feel prepared to navigate the support process with confidence. Submitting a clear and complete file is the best way to prevent automatic denials.
If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe and enable notifications to be informed on future updates and guides.